In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set spending limits on Revolut. This is a simple way to keep your day-to-day expenses in check, plan ahead, and avoid surprises. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to tap, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so the limit you set actually works for your lifestyle. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone and heading to the cards section. You'll find it on the main navigation bar. This is where all your active cards live, including any virtual or physical cards you've created. If you use multiple cards for different purposes, like one for travel and one for groceries, it's extra important to begin here so you can target the right card. Now, select the card you want to set a spending limit for. Take a second to confirm you've got the correct one, since the limit you're about to apply will only affect this specific card. This is a great way to separate budgets, for example, keeping your dining expenses distinct from your transportation costs. Next, go to Settings for that card. You'll see options related to how the card behaves, and this is where Revolut keeps the controls that shape your spending experience. Look for the option labeled Add Spending Limit. When you tap it, you're telling the app you want to create a cap that helps guide your spending on this card. Enter the amount you want to set as your limit. Choose a number that matches your real budget for the period you have in mind, and consider any recurring charges that might hit this card. If you plan for both everyday purchases and those occasional bigger payments, you'll avoid hitting your cap unexpectedly. When the amount looks right, review it one more time to be sure it fits your goals. Once done, confirm to apply the limit. The app will save your choice and use this cap to frame your spending on the selected card. If you ever need to adjust it later, you can come back to these settings and update or remove the limit as your situation changes. From here, you'll be able to track your spending and stay within your set budget. Keep an eye on the card's details to see how close you are to your cap, and make a habit of checking in before larger purchases. A quick review goes a long way toward maintaining control. And that's it. You've successfully set a spending limit on Revolut. Simple, effective, and designed to help you spend with confidence.